You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love when you're sad and you're feeling lonely and you don't know what to do. There's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville just to meet you. Some puppy love to be there by your side and be with you night and day. The truest friend that you will ever know is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. Want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love.
We've been walking for
We're
hours.
lost, that's why. Lost.
On the contrary, I think we've just found Durillia. So, what are you waiting for?
It's just that.
You know what they say about Durillia?
She's really dangerous. If you don't get a move on, I'll show you how dangerous I can be. Is that clear? Come on, let's go. Well, I think we're finally here.
After you.
No, ladies first.
Oh, that's okay. I'll watch the rear. Move. Is there anybody there?
Wrong place, maybe.
This is creepy.
I'm sure the noise came from here.
You guessed it.
Where are you?
Right here.
At last, we finally get to meet.
Most who come here get no further. But you have shown courage. What do you want? As if I didn't already know.
You know?
You want to send one of them to the big city to find your sister Ava before the girl and her puppy do.
That's a cool trick.
She knows everything. Like Evershell.
Do not mention that name here, treacherous turtle.
So, if you know why I'm here, what's your answer? Can you tell us how to get to the big city?
You don't know?
If I knew, I wouldn't be here.
But the rumors say you are the wiliest creature in Pocket Kingdom.
And rumor has it that you know all the secrets of the kingdom.
And the rumors are true. I can show you how to get to the city.
I knew it! So tell me quickly.
I said I can, not that I would.
Why the fuss? Tell us.
But my secrets come at a price, Eva. A big price.
So what is your price?
I haven't decided. I shall need time to think.
Durillia! She's gone!
Well, that's good.
Now what are we gonna do?
The only thing we can do, we have to sit here and wait for her.
Let's try over there. Come on, we can't stop. We have to find the princess. Not now, Magic. Okay. The coast is clear.
Well, here's to having a great week.
Katie, we can't go on like this. We've been on the move for days now.
No, but we have to find Princess Ava.
I want to find her too, but I'm worried you're overdoing it, you know?
You're sweet, but I'm fine. Don't worry. Let's go.
Kate, are you okay?
I'm fine. fine.
Whoa. Wow, you're feeling hot. I think you might have a fever.
I'm fine. Well, maybe a little fever.
Let's check your temperature. Whoa, you're burning up.
It'll pass. In fact, I'm feeling better already.
No, it's rest for you. You've got to take it easy. You just haven't been yourself lately.
Really?
You're disappearing all the time?
Only to take Magic for a walk.
And yesterday I even saw you talking to Magic as if he were a real person.
Well, we do have a sort of understanding.
What you need is some good rest. I'm gonna call work and get some time off to take care of you.
Don't do that. I'm fine. Magic will take care of me. Don't waste your days off.
Okay, sweetheart. We'll have to see how you feel later. Just rest up.
We can't let Dad take time off work. We have to look for Ava.
No, Katie.
No. What do you mean?
Your father is right. You can't go on like this. You have to rest.
But what about Ava? We can't rest until we find her.
She'll have to wait. I mean, I want to find her too, Katie, but we won't be able to unless you rest and get well.
I feel fine. Really, I do.
Look, you have a fever, and if you don't rest, the fever will get worse, and then we'll never find Ava. She's very restless. Poor Katie. She's still hot. Poor thing. Katie, I wish I could make you feel better. Maybe if I could get the friendship heart, that always seems to help.
Look, Katie's back! I knew she'd come.
Let's go meet her. Hi, everyone. What's happening?
This is the happiest day in the history of Pocket Kingdom.
Yes, great.
Great.
We knew for sure you wouldn't miss this day.
This can only mean one thing.
Princess Ava is back and she's waiting to see you in the throne room.
This is great!
She can't wait to meet you.
Well, that is great. I can't wait to meet her, too.
They have told me so much about you, Kate. I'm happy to meet you.
This is an honor. We were so worried about you.
And Magic, it is a pleasure to meet you again.
I'm honored, Your Majesty.
I want to say thank you to you both for all your wonderful work bringing pets and children together while I was away. Many children have now found their best friend. You did very well.
We only did what was right.
Mm-hmm. You followed your heart.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course you may, Kate.
How did you get back to Pocketville?
Thanks to you, of course.
Me? What did I do?
You looked for me for so long. You never ever gave up.
But I don't remember finding you, Princess.
Perhaps that is because it has yet to happen. You need patience, my dear Kate. Remember that anything worth having is worth waiting for.
Kate, honey, are you awake? I heard you talking. I think you must have been dreaming.
Yes, I was dreaming I was back in... I was just dreaming. I feel so much better now.
Well, your fever's down.
I told you I feel better.
Huh? How come Magic's collar is on the bed?
You know him. He's always playing.
You're a good puppy. Now look after my little girl. See you later.
I had an incredible dream, Magic.
Was I in it too?
Of course you were. And so was Princess Ava.
We found her?
Well, yes. I mean, not just yet.
That sounds really confusing, Katie.
I know. But I feel much better, really. Come on.
Don't tell me you're about to start running everywhere again.
Soon. But I shall be more patient this time, because anything worth having is worth waiting for. And while I'm getting better, I'll look after you. Bath time.
Why are we wasting time?
You've been unwell, remember? We need to take it steady.
I'm fine now. You promised to teach me how to manage in the big city, and we're doing nothing.
I taught you how to cross the road, didn't I? And about traffic lights.
Big deal. Red, amber, green, easy.
And we talked about finding shelter, hiding places.
It's just that I feel there is something you are not telling me. Like you're trying to protect me.
You're still a little weak. Try and eat.
Weak, huh? Let's see. If I'm so weak, then you should have no trouble taking back your bowl.
Hey, give that back. Hey!
So, what do you think now? Are we there yet?
We're here. This will be your gym.
Where are we?
This used to be a factory, but you know the humans. They build, they use for a while, and then they abandon them and leave them for us. Surviving in the city is all about speed, coordination, reflexes. Get to the top.
No problem.
Good climb, but how about your reflexes? Are you okay?
Oh, nothing broken. But you're right, Wallace. I'm not quite ready yet.
You just need a little more patience.
How long must we wait?
You need to be somewhere?
Maybe Gort is right. We've waited for so long, but what choice do I have?
What's the hurry? Are you leaving? Huh?
Have you decided? What is it you want in return for your secrets?
I will tell you how to reach the big city, but I want the Never Alone.
The Never Alone? Really? That flower is so rare, no one has ever...
Found it? Exactly. If you want to get to the big city so badly, then you know what you have to do. Bring me the flower. That's what I want.
Oh, all I want is a little